Hi friends, welcome to Easy Life. Today we are going to see another simple recipe. It's bak choy with garlic and oyster sauce. So first I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, once the pan is heated up, I'm adding, here I've chopped about 6 to 7 cloves of garlic. So I'm going to add this now. Once the garlic turns slightly brown, you can now add the bak choy. I've chopped it into small pieces. Now I'm adding a little bit of salt. I'm adding a little bit of water now. Once it's partially cooked, now I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of pepper. And I'm going to add a little bit of chili flakes. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of flax seeds so that it's also going to be healthy, as well as parsley. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. I'm going to add some water so that it becomes more juicy and you get the sauce a little. Now I'm going to add a dash of soy sauce. And finally I'm going to add 1 spoon of brown sugar. So now we just have to wait for it to get cooked for about 2 to 3 minutes and then we are done. Okay, so now it's done. I'm going to turn off the flame. It's such a simple recipe, so do try this at home and leave your comments below. And also, if you like this recipe, give us a like and share this recipe to your friends. Also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.